Hey everyone, let's dive into this. What is Scrum? Scrum is a framework to solve problems and deliver value to customers. It's the most popular agile methodology due to its simplicity and power. Let's talk about what that really means from a human perspective, because at the end of the day, it's all about people coming together. Scrum isn't a strict rulebook or a long checklist of steps you have to follow. It's more like a flexible framework that helps teams work together, stay focused, and handle change without losing momentum. Think about it like this. It gives structure to creativity, a rhythm that keeps people aligned, and makes sure real value reaches the customer quickly, while respecting everyone's efforts and ideas. When we say Scrum is a framework to solve problems, we mean it's designed for complexity, those real-life challenges that affect us all. Projects often start messy, full of unknowns, and Scrum helps you move through that uncertainty with short, clear cycles of work called sprints. Instead of trying to finish everything at once, the team breaks big goals into small, manageable pieces and delivers them one at a time. It's about making progress that feels achievable and kind to the team's well-being. Each sprint ends with something useful and real, not half-done work, so everyone can see the impact they're making on people's lives. Now, the slide says it's the most popular agile methodology because of its simplicity and power. That's absolutely true, and it's popular because it puts humans first. Scrum works because it balances clarity with freedom, allowing us to be our creative, adaptable selves. It gives teams just enough structure to stay on track, but enough flexibility to adapt fast when things change, fostering a sense of trust and support among everyone involved. It removes heavy paperwork and endless approvals and replaces them with teamwork, communication, and short feedback loops. The kind that build real connections and reduce stress. Traditional project management can feel like planning every single step before taking the first one, which can be overwhelming for anyone. Scrum flips that idea in a more compassionate way. It says, let's start small, see what works, and improve as we go, encouraging learning from each other and growing together. That mindset lets teams deliver value faster, learn from experience, and constantly make better decisions, all while valuing the human effort behind it. So, in simple words, Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps people work together to build valuable things quickly and continuously improve how they do it, with empathy and collaboration at its heart. It turns big, messy challenges into clear, achievable progress, one sprint at a time, making sure we're all in this together for the greater good. Key characteristics, all right. This slide gives us the personality of Scrum, what really makes it different. Let's start with that first point. Iterative, time-boxed approach, using sprints, typically 2 weeks. That's a fancy way of saying we work in short, focused bursts. In Scrum, teams don't try to finish a giant project all at once. Instead, they break the work into sprints, small 2-week cycles where everyone aims to deliver something valuable and complete. It's like running short races instead of one exhausting marathon. You finish a lap, catch your breath, look around, and then start the next one a little stronger. Now, the second point says, incremental delivery with continuous improvement. This is where the magic happens. Scrum doesn't believe in waiting 6 months to show results. You build and deliver small, usable increments regularly, so the customer actually sees progress. And after each delivery, the team looks back and says, all right, what worked? What can we tweak? This one really sums up the spirit of Scrum. The world moves quickly, customer needs shift, markets change, and teams evolve. Scrum gives you permission to change with it. It's not about sticking to the plan at all costs. It's about adapting smartly to reality. So when change happens, and it always does, Scrum teams can turn on a dime and keep delivering value. So if we step back and look at all these characteristics together, iterative, incremental, customer-focused, quick, and adaptable, they all share one theme. Scrum is built for progress, not perfection. It's about moving forward a little faster, a little smarter every single sprint.